Hey guys, this is Divad with Thinking Monkey Studios. This is just going to be a quick review of the products that are included in the Flippa listing. So, go ahead and remove this. So this is a base code that we started with. It's pretty similar to the famous AA application that's out there. Just going to walk through a couple of things. So again, gameplay is pretty simple. Pretty sure you guys should be familiar with this. This is the first code that we started. As you can see, it's a little bit more ad heavy. We have a banner on top using an ad mob and a couple of interstitials that will show up during gameplay. Ouch. Anyways, this is the base code that we started with, and again, this is implemented in about 20 other codes that are up for sale. Now, we did do some improvements on this code. Just let me give you this. So over here, this is the upgraded version of this code. We did a couple of little things. We just modified the UI a little bit. So now you got share functionality. You got a couple of things so you can have the user rate the app. And we did a couple of upgrades on the in-apps. So here now you have a little virtual economy that we created. I'll go ahead and show you guys how that works. So now we got those little chips, as you can see on the screen. And on the top, you got a couple of little power-ups that the user can purchase. But every time you hit one of those chips, you get a little bit of virtual currency up there. And you can actually use those to buy or purchase power-ups. So here you can go to the store. So here I got 4 chips total, and you get a couple of little purchases that you can create. Aside from that, this code is iOS 9 compatible, so all the upgrades have been done for iOS 9. Aside from that, we did some tweaks on the ad networks. So as you can see, it's a lot less ad heavy. This you can modify within the code. So if you guys want to just monetize the user as fast as possible, then increase those ads. If you're looking for a little bit more retention, then maybe get those ads to fill in not as quickly. But again, there's a couple little cool stuff here. There's the main menu. Here's the new upgraded in-apps scheme, and the overall little store where you can use those in-apps. Aside from that, this upgraded code does have Facebook Ad Network and Facebook Analytics. So if you guys are looking for any analytics on the users, session time, downloads, anything along those lines, this code is good to go. And if for any reason you want to run any Facebook acquisition campaigns, then you can actually track those since the Facebook's already been integrated. But anyways, these are the codes that are included on the portfolio. Again, this upgraded code has already been installed about in 10 other codes. The other 19 codes are going to be running on this previous code. Again, pretty similar. The color changes, those are pretty simple to do. So we just did a little tweak to kind of give it a different feel. But if you want to change the color to black to gray or blue, whatever, super easy to reskin on this code. Any color changes are done across the board, a couple of lines of code. So if you want to do any variations or want to do any more reskins on this code, super simple. Alright guys, that's pretty much a walkthrough of the products that are going to be available in the portfolio. If you guys have any more questions, you can go ahead and send us a PM or just add a comment on the listing, and we'll go ahead and handle those for you. Thanks.